Hello there! Today we continue with the young Yamaha. Today we are going to install the cams back to the engine and get the timing right. There is some things that you have to take into account during the installation, so stay with us and you will see what I mean.
One. We start by removing timing pickup cover that is in place with 4 screws. After screws are out, we take the cover off carefully, so that seal stays intact. Two. Next we remove spark plugs to easier rotation of engine. Three. Before installing the cam, we secure the chain with old push rod. 4. Then we rotate the crankshaft counterclockwise direction until the crankcase pointer and T mark on the timing plate are aligned. 5. With the cylinders No. 1 and 4 at the top dead center. 6. Lubricate all cam caps and cam bearing surfaces liberally with oil. 'As you are still watching, I assume you are my kind of subscriber. So hit the subscribe button and bell icon to keep up with this build. 7. We slip the intake cam under the cam chain. Be careful not to drop chain and gap. 'Note when disabling, take notes or pictures from where caps came off. It makes assembly way easier and speeds things up a lot. 8. Place the cam caps in their proper positions. Install the bolts only finger tight. Caution! The cam caps must be tightened evenly or damage to the cylinder head, cam caps and cam will result. The spaces between the caps and cylinder head should be equal. Eight. Torque the cam cap bolts in 2 stages and final torque to the specification. Tightening torque, 10 Newton meters. Next thing is cam chain, cam sprockets and chain tensioner. 9. Rotate each cam shaft until the dot on the cam is aligned with the hole on the center cam cap. Caution! Use extreme caution when rotating the cams. 2 possible dangers exist. First, the tool may contact the head and fracture it. Or second, a valve may become bent if the cam is turned the wrong way. As you can see, I do this with hammer. Yeah baby. 10. Carefully lift the cam chain from the exhaust cam sprocket. Pull upward to remove any slack in the chain between the crankshaft and the exhaust cam sprocket. With all slack removed, place the chain back on the cam sprocket. 11. Grip each sprocket simultaneously and place them on the camshaft shoulders, while continuing to keep tension on the chain from the crankshaft to the exhaust sprocket. Caution! Use only the special hardened shouldered bolts to install the cam chain sprockets to the cams. Make sure the rollers of the cam chain are centered on both chain guides. 12. Rotate the sprocket slightly to align the bolt holes and insert one special bolt in each sprocket. Note, tighten only finger tight at this time. 13. Install the center chain guide. As we checked the timing we noticed that it was slightly off, so we had to tear all down and start over. Second time a charm and we got it. Next cam chain tensioner. 14. Rotate the crankshaft counterclockwise and align the C mark on the timing plate with the timing pointer. 15. Remove the end plug and spring from the tensioner assembly. 16. Unlock the one-way cam by pushing it with your finger and push the tensioner rod into the tensioner body until it stops. 17. Install the tensioner to the cylinder and torque the bolts to the specification. Tightening torque, 10 Newton meters. 18. Reinstall the spring and end plug with the gasket. Torque the end plug to the specification. Tightening torque, 15 Newton meters. 19. Rotate the crankshaft more than one full revolution and align the T mark on the timing plate with the timing pointer. With the crankshaft at the T mark, the dots on the cam should be aligned with the raised holes on the center cam caps. If they are not aligned, disassemble the sprockets and chain tensioner and repeat above procedures. This is what we did. 20. Rotate the crankshaft and install the 2 remaining shoulder bolts into the cam sprockets. Torque all 4 sprocket holding bolts to the specification. Caution! Be sure to attain the specified torque value to avoid the possibility of these bolts coming loose and causing serious damage to the engine. Tightening torque, 20 Newton meters.
So that's how it's done. I hope you got some information for your own project, how to do this job. So next time we are going to adjust the valves and put the valve cover back on, and then we shall move to other things with this bike. If you want to see how we ended up into this stage, just hop back to the previous episodes, and I hope you enjoyed this, and click subscribe and like. Catch you later.